Hi guys, how are you doing today? Today guys, I will unbox this perfume. It's Oud Faaza. I actually already took out the first layer there. It just was a mistake of my video, but anyway, I will continue with unboxing this perfume. But first of all, I would like to ask you guys if you are doing well, if the day is treating you well, and I hope that the weather conditions that we have right here, you know, in the place where you are, is not affecting you that much. So this perfume guys, Oud Faaza, is by Ard Al Zaafaran. I heard that this particular perfume can be slightly on the stronger side, but you never know. Once you open, once you try, you never know. But that's guys Ard Al Zaafaran brand. It's made in 2020 I think, expired 2025, and Ard Al Zaafaran perfume very often can be on the fresher side, which is actually really excites me, because I have Latafa perfumes and sometimes they can be a little bit more on the stronger side, So this perfume, let's see what it will be guys. So I took off that first layer and I will take out this perfume right now. Let's see guys what will happen. It's always so exciting guys to unbox. So as you can see, the bottle, I already know guys, it will be a beautiful bottle. That's what I know guys. Let's see. So the packaging looks guys like so. I thought actually the bottle will look a bit darker, I thought that it's gonna look darker. So it says guys Oud Faaza. It's kind of like this. I wonder what will be the smell like. Perhaps, you know what I will do guys, I will just read slightly for you guys from the computer, just to see what it will say. Let's see. I will put guys these two. To me, for an example, this packaging looks better than this. I don't know what you guys think. I will put them very nicely, and let's see guys, what can we read about this particular product. So I guys couldn't find on Fragrantica much. I couldn't find on Fragrantica this particular perfume. So it says Oud Faaza, and it's unisex perfume. It's unisex, and it's soft, spicy, vanilla, woody. And does it say anything else? It's the heart of the notes are filled with sandalwood. So basically it's like a sandalwood type of smell. And then there is oud, amber, white musk, warm finish in the base note, and it's basically an oriental perfume. It's a woody, soft, spicy, and main accords. Basically they repeat on the same thing, so I will not repeat it for you now. And what does it say on Amazon? Let's say Amazon doesn't state anything much apart from that it's a perfume for her, I think. And it says, like, let's say I see some reviews from other people. So it says, one person says that absolutely love this fragrance. If you like warm, spicy vanilla, then you will love this. And then they say they recommend it, it's very satisfied. And then what else? Another person says, everything is positive. It says beautiful rich scent, lasts for 4 hours, and then you need to kind of top it up. And then it says if man reviews that they really love it. And then some people say that it smells like a dentist office. Interesting. Maybe there might be some synthetic note, I don't know. And then mostly people are very, very positive, but of course there are some that doesn't like as well, as usual it happens. Let's see guys, I'm going to spray myself right now with this perfume, Oud Faaza perfume, and I'm going to spray my hand right now. the sprayer, guys, would be kind of like this. I sprayed, you see, immediately comes, guys, those type of Middle Eastern vibe. Actually, it's not too bad, you know, not too bad. Let me see. I don't know if you guys can see. Reminds me Pour Oudi by Latafa, but lighter version. It reminds me a little bit Latafa, that opulent Oud, you know, the black bottle, but lighter version, which is great, to be honest. That is lighter. So it really, guys, reminds me a lot more that like Pour Oudi by Latafa, but lighter. And I noticed that Pour Oudi is not that loved that much from other people, you know. I noticed Pour Oudi sometimes kind of people doesn't like it, but actually I quite liked it. Pour Oudi by Latafa, it has a jasmine smell with cinnamon. This so like I can really feel some kind of jasmine. To be honest, guys, I will like this perfume. This is not as there is some amber, but like kind of like amber mixed with let's say with jasmine, and I really feel cinnamon, guys. I wonder why it wasn't stating in the notes cinnamon. Maybe, like, I really, guys, can tell you that this one's similar to Pour Oudi, just a bit lighter. The price, like, depending on the website, guys, there, but I paid quite a lot for this perfume. Like, it was around 29 pounds, but really depending on the where you buy. But interesting. What I like about this perfume is that because I like Pour Oudi myself, and the fact that it's lighter is gonna be a good thing. I definitely feel some citrus, you know, citrus in it, which is a very good thing, guys, and jasmine too. It's positive thing, guys. It's positive thing. I will love this perfume. I will love this perfume, guys. It's nice, like really, like I really like, guys, Ard Al Zaafaran perfumes because they are not too like overpowering, you know. Like they are strong enough, they are stronger than designer perfumes, but they are not overly as strong as Latafa perfumes can be. I like this perfume, guys. Really like. I wonder those notes why it's not as exactly, you know, as it would stating there for me, you know. In the website it says oud, vanilla, like there is amber, there is musk. I wonder why it's not saying there is jasmine too. Like I would say that there is jasmine. I don't know, guys. So nice. Really, really nice, guys. I will enjoy this perfume. I will use this as well pretty much every day, guys. I will use this perfume. I don't have, guys, any perfume from Middle Eastern brand that I would hate, you know. Like there are some that perhaps I wear only once a month, but I don't hate them. I don't hate them. So that's the thing, guys. Just because they are so, you know, generous with all the whatever they include, you know, in the liquid, you know. I think Middle Eastern brands really are created for people who likes to experience, you know, something new in the perfumes, little bit above, like it goes above the designer brands, you know. Really, you know, it makes things more interesting and more exciting for people to wear. Whoever likes to have a adventure is really nice, guys, really nice. I will be wearing straight away, guys. I thought that I will be wearing like this week Angel Muse, you know, because I wasn't wearing that perfumes pretty much ever. But now as I open this perfume, it will be my type of thing to try. That's all, guys. I will come back to you soon. Thumbs up for this perfume, you know. Buy it, you know, don't be afraid of it. Buy it, and I will come back to you soon. Have a beautiful day. Like this video and see you soon.